Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television, a TC-P, either a 50 or a 55 or a 60 or a 65 ST60 model television. Those numbers that can change just apply to the size of the TV. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. I'll actually list those different model numbers in the description so you can be sure. So you can do this via the setup menu on the TV, which you just go to menu, setup, OK, and then reset to defaults. But we can actually do that if we don't have access, and one of the reasons you might want to do this is if your TV is freezing or it's not responding and anything like that. We can actually do this without having to access the menu. We can do it straight from the hardware. You might also want to do this if you're just trying to set this TV up as a new TV. But anyways, all we need to do is make sure the TV is powered on, and then we're going to come behind the TV and find the volume down button, and on the controller we're going to find the menu button. You're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously, volume down on the TV, menu button on the controller, for more than 5 seconds. And while you're doing that, after 5 seconds is up, you can go ahead and unplug the television. And when you unplug the television, and the next time you turn it on, it will wipe everything off of it and turn on into its factory default settings.